In this video, I'll show you how to insert the copyright symbol in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. This is a really useful skill if you're creating documents, presentations, handouts, or any professional content where you want to add a copyright mark with a clean, polished look. And the best part is, you don't need any special software or complicated shortcuts. We'll do it right inside LibreOffice Writer step by step. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and make sure you subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have the document open, that works too. On the left side under Create, click Write a Document if you want to start a new file. Or if you already have your text written, just open your existing document and continue from there. The goal is to get to the point where your cursor is placed exactly where you want the copyright symbol to appear. So now click inside your document and place the cursor in the exact spot where you want to insert the symbol. This is important because the symbol will appear wherever your cursor is currently blinking. If you want it at the end of a sentence, click there. If you want it in the middle of a line, click there. Once your cursor is in the right place, you're ready for the next step. Now go up to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains different options for adding things into your document, like special characters, images, breaks, and more. For this tutorial, we need the special character tool because that gives us access to symbols like copyright, trademark, and many others. After clicking Insert, choose Special Character. This opens a window where you can browse symbols from different fonts. If you don't see the copyright symbol right away, don't worry. You may need to choose a font first so the full list of characters becomes easier to navigate. At this point, select a font like DejaVu Sans. This font is a great choice because it usually includes a wide range of symbols and special characters. Once you select it, the symbol list will refresh and you can look through the available characters more easily. Now find the copyright symbol, which looks like this. Copyright. You can usually spot it by scrolling through the symbols or searching visually in the character grid. When you locate the copyright symbol, click on it once to highlight it. Then click Insert. After that, click OK to close the window. And just like that, the copyright symbol will be inserted right into your document at the cursor position you selected earlier. If you need to use the symbol again, you can repeat the same process anytime. Just place your cursor, go back to Insert, then Special Character, and choose the symbol again. It's a very simple method once you do it one time, and it saves you from trying to copy and paste from somewhere else or typing out workarounds that may not look correct. This is especially helpful if you're writing official documents, creative projects, or any file where a clean copyright mark adds professionalism. It also makes your document easier to read and more polished overall. A small symbol like this can make a big difference in the final presentation. If you found this helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy LibreOffice tutorials, computer tips, and step-by-step software guides. That support really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making more tutorials like this for you. And that's it. You now know how to insert the copyright symbol in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the special character menu is, you can add it whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.